Okay, go.
Well, we're using this vacuum pump to lower the atmosphere pressure in this bottle. So, will the marshmallows shrink? Will the marshmallows grow? I'll just have you guess when I bring it into class. And ready?
Go ahead.
Now. Oh, who was right? I think Grow was right. I wonder what will happen when we remove the vacuum pump. Who will be right? If Grow will still be right, or Shrink might be right. Who knows? Look at them growing. Who knows what will happen next? And that's one of the marshmallows we just took out. We're going to see what happens when we let go of the air. See if these shrink back to normal size, or if they grow bigger, or if they shrink smaller than normal size.
Do you know that air has weight and it's pushing down on you right now?
Yes, I knew that.
Do you know how much pressure is pushing down on you?
Mm-hmm.
How much?
Let's see. Well, like 400 or something. 5,000? 4,000?
14.7 pounds per square inch.
Oh, 14.7 pounds per square inch.
Okay.
Should we turn it off yet?
Nope. Well, yeah, we're going to turn the pump off. Right now, the jar is roughly 28 inches of mercury, maybe 27. And unfortunately, we don't have a gauge hooked up to it, so it's hard for us to tell. But I know the pump, so I can gauge it by that. And now we're going to release the vacuum from the top.
Okay,
Shut it
here we
off.
go.
Shut it off. And then
Now, let's see. Let's watch what they turned into. Oh, the people who said small were right.
let's see what they look like
Let's see what
now.
they taste and look like.
Now we can compare them.
And here are two.
Put them side by side. Now explain it.
Well, here's one regular mushroom, and these are two tiny mushrooms.
And why are they tiny?
I mean, marshmallows. They're tiny because we lowered the atmosphere, and then they grew. But then when we hired it quickly, I think the atmosphere pushed on them too fast, so it made them tinier.
Okay. Now, what's the second part of your experiment that you're going to do?
And now we have this balloon, and if we can find another jar, we might do a Fruit Loop. So we're gonna do this balloon. What do you think will happen? Will it shrink? Will it shrink? Will it grow? Will it stay the same size?
Well, let's try it and find out.
Let's try it and find out. Just like my dad said.
Okay, or we could break the bottle
Yes.
and not do that experiment at all. We got to find a way to get that balloon into this bottle now.
Yes.
So we'll be back in a minute.